Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Kevin Hendrajaya. I came from 23D Nursing. In here, I would like to discussion about early marriage. What is the early marriage? Marriage that occurs at age younger than 90 years for both females and males is considered early marriage. Marriage can be a wonderful experience for many people, but early marriage is often one of the worst events in a girl life. It can lead to deep regret and significant psychological pressure because they lack the skill or abilities to handle problems. Their self-confidence decreases while feelings of inferiority increase, which can lead to depression and even suicide. Families with early marriage tend to be more fragile and face many problems, in some cases damaging the family function itself. Adolescent girls enter married life without skill or education, and sometimes their husbands are also young and untrained in whole life. As a result, women may experience sexual violence from the beginning of marriage. Some experience problems with their genital because they or their parents do not know how to have sexual intercourse. They can also become victims of physical and psychological violence due to a lack of skill in managing the household and a weak position in the marriage. Low literacy rates and lack of awareness among girls and their parents, lack of power and authority in decision making in girls, the pursuit of social status and sport, as well as poverty, have been identified as the main cause of early marriage among girls. For the research also shows that adolescent girls do not understand life opportunities, and healthcare providers and policymakers need to make adolescents aware of the negative consequences of early marriage and prevent them from engaging in it. So guys, for the child marriage endangers the health of girls and forces them to face additional medical and psychological problems such as high-risk pregnancies and childbirth, physical problems, regret, and psychological difficulties. As a result, most pregnancies occur unsuddenly and they are not ready to face them. Many are also forced to drop out of school after marriage and regret to continuing their education so they could work. Lack of independence in family life. When marrying at a young age, women have little power in marriage due to a lack of knowledge about life. They often live with their husband family, who frequently intervene and make decisions in the young couple personal affairs. They can continue throughout their life. A study by Ocker shows that early marriage negatively impact women's mental health. Research John and Dars also shows that women who experience early marriage suffer from stress, depression, and anxiety. Keck found a significant link between early marriage and suicide attempts, highlighting the need for mental health intervention. In response to these problems, some women exhibit high-risk behavior such as having relationships outside for her early marriage, wanting to run away from home, and an interest in alcohol and smoking. Early marriage in Indonesia itself remains a major issue because early marriage is more detrimental to women and men. Why is it important to be aware of the issues of early marriage? Because besides harming the individual involved, it can also harm the country. This can impact future leadership in a country, as youth are the key human resource skill in solving social and national issues. Therefore, preventing early marriage is everyone's responsibility to create intellectual and highly competitive human resource. Okay guys, thank you for giving me if I gave you in the wrong way for my discussion. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.